Yet another major change at the El Paso District Attorney's Office. Today, in a hearing for the Sierra Vista Walmart shooting case, the judge mentioned the former lead prosecutor, Curtis Cox, has resigned from the DA's office. As ABC7 reported earlier this month, Cox sent a letter to the judge stating he was going to withdraw from the Walmart case, but didn't say why. The judge said today was his last day at the office.
And although I know today is the last day of Mr. Cox's term in that office because he has resigned, let's get him up here too.
And today, the judge overseeing the Walmart shooting case also demanded El Paso District Attorney Ivan Rosales appear in court for an upcoming hearing. During today's hearing, the DA's office sent Charles Vance. Rosales was not present. As ABC7 has been reporting, the lawyers representing the suspected shooter have accused Rosales of absconding and evading receiving court orders to appear in court. Judge Sam Medrano and Crucius's lawyers want to discuss a report with Rosales. The report accuses Vinton Municipal Judge Roger Rodriguez of representing the DA's office when he impersonated and threatened the family of one Walmart shooting victim. Crucius's lawyers say they have not been able to find DA Rosales, former Assistant DA Curtis Cox, or Rodriguez in order to serve them to appear in court. Today, Judge Medrano asked where the prosecution team was. He even asked someone to check and see if Rosales was in her office inside the county courthouse.
Ms. Rosales is not in her office?
I don't know if she is, but I was unable to locate her.
Did she not come to work? Did she not go to the second floor? Does she not run that office? We can't understand how a duly elected public official can avoid the courtroom. So we're asking the court to order Ms. Rosales, Mr. Rodriguez, and Mr. Cox to be present for the November 30th hearing.
Judge Medrano made it clear he wants Rosales and Cox to appear in court on that date.
Mr. Vance, I need you, when you leave here today, to contact Ms. Rosales and remind her of the hearing that is scheduled for November 30th. I want you to tell Mr. Cox the same thing. They will be here on November 30th.
Crucius's lawyer says all of this is impacting the community and the victims' families.
We have done everything we can to try to resolve this case. But the district attorney's office and the politicians see fit that they think somehow it is politically proper to say we want the death penalty and then use victims as pawns, further victimizing the victims further.
Judge Medrano said he will consider ordering Vinton Judge Rodriguez to also appear in court. You can count on ABC7 to continue bringing you complete coverage of this story. Download the KVIA News app to get breaking alerts on your phone.